dominant. Hey girl, you're my. Hey girl, you're my sunshine.
Okay, so I had no idea what to film and I didn't have anything filmed, and then I realized that I have some footage of getting my new dog. So before I show you guys the puppy, I'm gonna show you the footage of us going to get her and her house and her siblings and all that stuff, us taking her home, Leo reacting. So shh, 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 shh. Just for 1 second, she doesn't like being on my bed. Just for 1 second, okay? Don't send it off the, don't send it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys all of that first, and then I will come back and you'll see her now. You wanna tell the vlog where we're going?
Yeah, so it's starting.
Yeah?
We are going to some random people's house to see a new dog.
See a new dog.
And we have no idea who this guy is.
Yeah.
My dad found him at Rosita's.
He's the general manager of Rosita's.
Yeah.
Rosati's.
He
Rosati's.
works at Rosita's. That's not sketchy one little bit.
It's Rosati.
Why is that sketchy?
Because
What? Everybody's gotta work, right?
True.
Going up to this guy's house.
Scuba's on the phone with my puppy guy.
I know it's not.
I'm trying to.
Unless your dad decides to take it from me.
Yeah.
They're so cute.
Someone get that one?
I do apologize. Yeah. They've all had their shots. Oh my god. So it's either you guys can take her or her. So this one's staying with us. And then he's yeah. So we call the two of them Panic and Pain right now because they're the twins. Panic and Pain is the minions of Hades. So
They're all equally as awesome.
Oh, I like this one. She bit my finger already. I like her. Oh, she's so cute.
Holly, Mom.
She's alright, she's just wondering who's holding her babies, that's all. Golly!
Hold her.
Can I hold this? Oh, you can go ahead.
Who's got my babies?
Oh, she's so cute.
You're pretty.
Yeah, she's been teaching them how to play rough. That's the dog's life.
And our dogs go at it all night. You let them.
Oh, this is so cute. Can we keep it?
It's so chunky.
Yeah.
Heavy.
You come back here.
Yeah, they're definitely well fed.
What are they eating right
Little
now?
buffalo. That's the dry food we're feeding. They're at a half a cup a meal. So they're.
Oh no.
So
what did you
sending
get?
with 3 meals plus a can of wet food.
like this.
Well, that's still not bad. Oh, can I take it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say if you wanna, I locked this one up, so if you wanna let them like run around, just run away from me. Ow.
Just got them eating, so I'm sure they're tasting a little bit of food.
They're almost fully potty trained.
But they're babies.
They do know the potty pad, and right after they eat, I let them go outside for about a good half hour to an hour, and they'll usually do their business. So we still, but during the night, we still get some accidents here and there.
Our grown dogs still have accidents.
Yeah.
And then when we take them out in the morning, they go again. I'm like,
Cheers. That name just sticks with me now.
Oh, I thought it was this one.
that one?
Yeah.
Get it. What's wrong?
Hey, you have, hey, that's my hair.
Let's go home.
We're taking her right now.
Yeah. I thought we weren't gonna.
You guys lied to me.
We just told them they were coming to visit.
Oh, they take the door look like. The door looked like. You got it? Yeah. That was gonna be so
You said that we were
getting on the 13th. You liar.
You lied to
That's what he
me.
told
It
me.
was actually the vet that verified that they were ready to go. They're weaned from their mom. They eat their own food.
Yeah.
So
You had a
She's gonna be a big girl. She's gonna be big like her
Shot.
daddy. I think she's going to be a fathead like Daddy too.
You got a big head.
Yeah. She's got the.
His was a little head.
No, you got a big head.
He's got a big
that
head.
one's so pretty. You're both so pretty. Looks like Boston.
I know.
Yeah,
You guys look like Boston.
That just bigger.
Oh, I miss Boston.
I'm acting like Kilani right now.
Although I have this up.
Everything, all the vaccinations.
Oh, little bull.
And all the options that they have are in here.
So, is it recording? Yeah. Okay, so we were talking about a name. You threw one out earlier. Nova. I don't know, I'm like thinking about it. What do you guys think of that name?
I think it's cute.
I think it's cute too. What do you think? You're already asleep.
Nova.
Okay, we've arrived home and now we're gonna see how Leo reacts because it's Leo.
You knew, huh?
No, they surprised us.
Isn't she cute?
Oh, here comes my boy.
Oh gosh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, look.
Mom, shh. His tail's wagging, that's a good sign.
Maybe. Leo.
I think he's happy.
He's cute.
Leo, I told you were going to be a dad.
She's so pretty.
She's smelling the other dogs on you.
Look at her run around.
I want to see you one last time before I leave.
No, wait.
Put her down.
Yes.
You're all extra.
Did you just step on her? Hi, baby.
I said Leo, you're all extra.
Sit. Sit.
He hit her with the tape, or his tail.
Look, be nice. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy.
Do you have her papers and stuff?
Her name is Rogue.
No, but do you have like...
Lay down. Lay down.
Oh, look at her.
Is Jordan here?
Not yet.
Is she here?
Good night.
I think he's...
The other way.
Isn't she cute?
She's adorable. She potty trained it.
She might pee on you.
Her name is Rogue.
Rogue. Not Rogue. Rogue.
Where's Jordan? Is Jordan here?
Beautiful, yes.
She's sick. Or is he throwing up like...
He's not here.
Well, look at her.
Just today? Well, obviously.
Well, I don't know,
Like 15 minutes ago.
where's she from?
Far out that way.
Did they just find her or what?
No? The guy at Rosita's a month or so ago came up to Amber and Scuba and he asked them if they wanted a dog.
What is she?
Pit?
She's a full-on pit?
Yeah, blue nose.
Kind of like a Kaya.
She does. She's kind of scared of Leo right now, so she's trying to adapt to the humans. Right, Lee? Rogo, come here. Come here. Come here, girl. So, after all of that, you guys know what she looks like, and this is Rogue. Say hi, Rogue. She's a little chomper. She likes biting on everything. Look, what is that? What is that? She really doesn't like being on my bed, so if she cries, it's because she's on my bed and she doesn't want to be. She really hates being on anything like that. She wants to send it so bad. Send it, you won't. She just doesn't like being on my bed. Anyways, her name is Rogue. See her little tag? Rogue, wait, let me see your tag. Ow, don't bite me. Yeah. Her name's Rogue. Come on. She usually likes playing, but she hasn't been playing lately. Oh, she just woke up from a nap. That's also why. But yeah, she is, a pit, and she was born on December 19th, I believe. And her name when we got her was Panic. They called her and her sister, I believe, Panic and Pain. Was that right? She really wants to get down. She really wants to get down. She's really sweet. She just likes to bite on everything, you know, just like a puppy. She is the cutest little thing, I swear. She's just like Leo. She loves to eat food. If anyone's wondering how Leo's doing about it, he doesn't want to be a father. He doesn't want to be her friend. Anything to do with Rogue, he just doesn't like. She's always trying to eat his food in the morning, and he always tries to bite her. That's awesome. Well, yeah. I just wanted you guys to meet my new dojo. My new puppers. Rogue. 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 Hi. Hi. Yeah. This is Rogue. Say hello. Say hello, Rogue. Aww. She's kind of like Kaya, though. I know you guys know what Kaya looks like. She looks like Kaya. Wow, my filming skills are just off. But she looks like Kaya, you know, she acts like Kaya. She's kind of like scared of everything, but at the same time, she loves biting things. Look, she's starting to play. Okay, just kidding. Once she sees the camera, she's just like, nope, I'm out of here. That's exactly how Kaya is. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Say I told you guys enjoyed this video. She loves biting my bracelets, which really makes me upset because she's already broken 3 of my bracelets and I paid a lot of money for these. So, yeah. Anyways, as I was saying, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.